Hi guys, hello everybody. I hope you're all doing good, guys. Thank you so much for your support. I do appreciate, guys. Yeah, we are remaining with less than 20 subscribers. I think less than 30. Yeah, to what, to 2,000 subscribers, guys. It has been a milestone and I can't wait. Yes, so I really thank you guys. Yeah, I'm coming live for you from Kenya, in East Africa to be specific. Kenya is in East Africa. Yeah, so I'm coming live from Kenya, and guys, we have been blessed with the rain. Yesterday, for the last 2 days, it has rained. We did not have like rain for the past 2 weeks, and it was really hot. So the time that we were expecting to plant maize, oh my god, it just stopped raining. So people have really delayed with planting maize, because right now they are supposed to be, how do we say this? Huh? How do I say it? So, but right now the maize are supposed to be big, yeah, but they have not yet planted. But there are those people who have already done that, and because it was raining, so there are those who had already planted. But the big percent, like 80%, not even 80, 95% have not planted. So with these rains, we are now getting ready to plant. Yeah. So guys, I left this somewhere. I met someone and we were at least chatting. Yeah, so right now I'm heading somewhere. You can see I'm on my heavy jacket, but I think I'm going to remove it because I can see the sun is now out. It was really gloomy. Yesterday night it really rained. Yeah, and we are so happy about that, guys, because you can see we have not yet planted. Yes, so this is Africa, very green. You can see where I'm coming from. There's a railway from Kisumu to Malaba. I think Malaba or Busia. Yeah, because I've never used it to this side, but I've used it to Kisumu. Yeah, so I'm heading somewhere to run some errands, and I think I'll have to undo my hair. Then we have a new hairstyle, because we have also to travel, guys. We have been here for the longest time, guys, and I know a lot of people had questions, still have questions. Caro, why are you in the village? Such questions. So maybe if you have someone, why that, guys? Yeah, I know I have someone. Yeah, and I know the reason why I'm in the village. I have to travel, but I think tomorrow I'm going to see my mom before I travel back to the city. So I think you're going to surprise her, baby. I think I should do it. Yeah, I don't know, but maybe I should do one video with her. So let's see what's going to happen today, and I hope you're going to enjoy this video, guys. I'm not going to do like a specific thing about this video, but I hope you're going to enjoy like everything in this video. So this is where we are heading. It's our market center somewhere there. It's our market center, and yeah, that's where I'm going to get a boda to Rwanda. Then I get my matatu to where we are going. I'll tell you later, so stay tuned, and don't forget to give this video a like, share, comment, and subscribe. So see you later. Hi guys. So guys, yesterday I left you somewhere, and I was to show you my errands of the day, but actually my day did not go well. Just after I was doing my first activity, I was to go and do my first activity, So I told you I'm going to Luanda. I'll use a boda boda to Luanda, then I'll get a matatu to where I will be going. Yeah, so I was going to Mbale yesterday. So yesterday I was going to Mbale. Actually, our first activity was to be at Mbale. So I just boarded my boda boda to Luanda, then I took my mat to Mbale. So then, you know, there are these kodi, we call them kodi. They connect you to your matatu, but they won't go with you. They are not the conductors. So, but you have to communicate with them first before you get in the matatu. So I asked the lady how much is it, and she told me it's 80 shillings to Mbale. Yeah, 80 bob. I told her it's okay. Then I got into the mat. Now it reaches the time to pay, you know, and I was at the back seat. Yeah, at the back of the car, the back seat, and it reaches the time to pay, and everyone had already paid, because you see I was the last one at the back. Yeah, and there was no other customer over there, so I was just the only one over there. So I gave this conductor my phone to pay through M-Pesa. M-Pesa is one of way to transact money here in Kenya, or to you can pay, withdraw using M-Pesa, you know. Yeah, so I gave the conductor my phone to put the phone number, because you see the phone numbers to send to. Then I put amount, then my M-Pesa pin, then I pay. I send the money. So I did that, and I sent the money. After a few minutes, he asked me, how much have you paid? Then I kept quiet. Then the car stops, then they pick another passengers, then we continue with the journey. The car continues, we continue with our journey. Yeah, so then this conductor asked me again, how much have you paid? Then I asked him, how much have you received? Because I was the only one who paid using M-Pesa. I can remember, we were not many in that car. I was the only one who paid using M-Pesa. Then I asked him, how much have you received? He checks on his phone and he's like, so now he raises his voice. Yeah, like, so you want me to go and withdraw 60? So you what? A lot of things that are not making sense. And I was like, we are not quarreling. What's up with you? I don't have any problem with you. Why are you attacking me because I've paid 80 shillings? What do you want? And he was like, yeah, let me refund you this money. So that and he was quarreling like the whole of the journey. So he was like, let me refund you the money so that you can see how much you're going to withdraw with. I told him, if you're going to refund me the money, to reverse the money, kindly don't disturb me later that you want the money back. Disturb me that you want me to pay again, because I've already paid you and now you have refunded the cash. What else do you want? And this guy was just quarreling over 80 shillings. And when you send 80 shillings, they don't deduct any amount. They don't deduct. Yeah, so I've done that several times and no one has complained about it, that you have to pay extra, like how much am I going to withdraw it. So I told this guy, please, if you just walk up with your own problems, kindly don't let me be part of your problems today, because I was not planning for this. My mind was not for this. I just woke up, I'm going for my errands and you're all over me. What do you want, surely? So this guy refunded the money. I told him I'm not going to pay. I've paid you now. You have refunded the money. What else do you want, guys? Even if it were you. But because of this guy's behavior, that's why I told him I'm not going to pay. But I was willing when we get to the stage to where I was going to our last stop. I'll get out, go withdraw some cash because I was to run some errands using some cash. So I'll go out, get some cash, and then I pay you. So we get to our stage, to the last stage, and I got out of the car, and this guy was like, go and withdraw money over there and give me the cash. I told him, surely, what is this? I paid you, you refunded. Even the driver was just shocked to this guy, yeah. And the driver says, this money you could have paid to Kanjo. We always do that, yeah. When the customer pays using M-Pesa, you use that money to pay to county council, you know. Yeah, so, and he was like, and he was like everywhere. Then he holds my he holds me through here. He holds my I was wearing a dress and a jacket, yeah, because it was really gloomy yesterday. So he holds me and I'm like, what's up with you, man? What have I done? If you had problems with your wife, then you are bringing them to your customers. That's so wrong, guys. That's so wrong. This guy ended up insulting me. He slapped me, guys. I'm telling you, the whole of yesterday, the whole of yesterday, the whole of this place, guys, it was really painful. Now this guy was all over me. He tore my jacket. I think he thought, but you see, when we were still in the car, he tried to threaten me that you'll see. When we get out of this car, you're going to see. And I was like, what have I done, surely? And now you see, he had already prepared my mind, because I know these conductors, yeah, they are very rough, very raw conductors, guys. So I already prepared my mind. I live in Nairobi and I know them. They have bad manners. That's what I can tell you. So one day when you visit Kenya and you want to use a public vehicle, a public bus, and you want to use a public bus, just be ready for them for anything, because these conductors, not the drivers, they're somehow cool, because you know when they do such things they're going to lose their jobs, yeah. But when these conductors, when they lose their job, it is easy for them to get another matatu. Hey, when he told me that, I took my phone and I put it somewhere that whatever happens, it won't get lost. So he was trying to pull my jacket. I think he thought my phone is inside the jacket and tried to snatch it. So he slapped me and he was all over. So I was asking these men around, because it created a lot of attention. So I was asking them, so you guys are just happy that I'm being insulted in front of you and you're just looking at this guy? So when he noticed that guys are all over him, he then gets into a matatu, then ran away. In a matatu and then runs away. You see? So then I decide, there are those people over there who helped me. They actually told me, just go and report this matter, because this is an insult and a conductor is not supposed to do that, you know. So I went to the police station, reported the matter, because I was running some errand. Then they told me, when you get him, we will call you. So just after 30 minutes, I think 30 minutes, yeah, they called me and they were like, this guy is over here, so just come. I told them, okay, I'm coming. So guys, after running my errands, I went, and that guy was all over. He was there. He went to report also the matter that I've insulted him. So But the good thing is that I had already recorded the statement. I was with so that's what happened yesterday, and I was not happy about it. My day just went blank. Yani, I don't know, that guy, I don't know what kind of a man he is, by the way. I really don't know, because that was so wrong. I've not done you anything. I've paid the cash. If you wanted me to pay 100 shillings, you could just have told me, madam, when you pay using your phone, just pay me 100 shillings. I could have done that, but you are all over me. You are insulting me without anything. That's so wrong, guys. So that's what happened yesterday. I'm so sorry I could not record like what we were to record yesterday, but I love you all, guys. So kindly give this video a like, share, comment, and subscribe. And that's what happened to us yesterday. So bye, see you in the next video. Yeah.